guys, good afternoon from Kochi, Kerala. We are here for a family trip and we landed in the morning we landed in the afternoon. Our flight got delayed, but the flight was beautiful and Kochi so far is so beautiful. इतना ग्रीन है, इतने सारे ट्रीज़ है. I am mesmerized already. Although बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है and it's very humid. Right now we are in just search of good food, so we are going to Kashi Art Cafe, which is highly rated and highly recommended by people on the internet and locals as well. So let's see how the food is. By the way, we are staying at a boutique homestay sort of a place, which is very beautiful. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you soon. We had really nice food at the Kashi Art Cafe. It's a very quiet, nice place to just chill and sit and just spend some time and eat some good food. Now we are heading to the Fort Kochi metro station because we wanted to experience water metro. We've never been in a water metro before. It's a very new concept, so really excited, really looking forward to it. And the plan is to go to actually a very famous temple over here, which is suggested by locals and people that have visited Kochi before in the family. So yeah, I think I'm really looking forward to this because temples in Kerala are a thing and I want to experience it for myself. So yeah, let's go.
Water metro.
Yeah, this is the first time, so we're really excited.
Yeah.
Now we are in the rickshaw and it's mandatory rickshaw ride in any city, Indian city. So yeah, just going to the temple. It's the Chittur Krishna Swami temple, which is very famous. So I'm really looking forward to it. And सब लोग awkward हो रहे हैं, so bye. So हम लोग ने टेम्पल देखा. इट वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल. आई मीन अभी भी हम लोग वहीं पे हैं. द वाइब इज़ अमेजिंग एंड बहुत ही ओल्ड स्कूल स्टाइल में बना हुआ है, लाइक टिपिकल साउथ इंडियन, वेरी small, cozy, intimate. I don't know like how to explain it, but it was very beautiful and the vibe was just amazing. So if you are in Kochi and if you are with your parents, then this should be definitely on the list because it's something that your parents would enjoy, and even if you are a little religious, spiritual, then you would also enjoy this place because I truly did. So yeah, add this to your list. Hi guys, good morning. So kal raat ko it got very late and we just crashed because we were very tired. But today morning we got up, we took a stroll in the lanes of Fort Kochi. Cloud, my PM, and got this. And then we got some coffee and some cookies just for the vibes. And now we are heading to some place nice for breakfast for mom and dad. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so we are on our way to Kumarakom now. So originally we planned to go to LAP, but फिर हमको पता चला कि Kumarakom is better and LAP is थोड़ा commercialized now. So we decided to do that instead. And अभी बीच में on the way we have stopped at this location, random location on the way to Kumarakom, and it's so beautiful over here. We thought कि यहाँ पे रुकते हैं, कुछ time spend करते हैं because it's so serene, quiet and extremely beautiful. Here at the backwaters you can see the whole of this, which is amazing. So we're just gonna chill, have some nariyal pani, and yeah, I just came here to show you all this beautiful place. checked into our hotel in Kumarakom. It's a decent hotel, I would say, and the rooms are spacious and nice. That's me. So that's that. And bahar ka view, yaar, यहाँ पे हर जगह view is nice only. Like you can see all these coconut trees and it's just beautiful. One thing that you have to keep in mind, especially if you're vegetarians, that you won't find a lot of vegetarian options in Kerala in general. So do your research beforehand for like good veg restaurants. Plus यहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें Zomato पे available नहीं है, so always ask the locals and don't shy away, because हमने बहुत कल थोड़ा ज़्यादा struggle हो गया था because my mom wanted pure veg places to eat and I was not able to find anything. Finally Didi found one place and we had a meal there. So yeah, I'll put some suggestions from Kochi at least of the places that you can visit with your parents, or if you're pure vegetarian, then yeah, that's my 2 cents on it. Other than that, loving the vibe of Kerala so far, and today is gonna be very exciting day, so I'm gonna take you along, but first we need to do something with the hair and the outfit as well. So see you soon. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi mom.
Hi.
So yes, we cleaned up and we're all dressed up to go for lunch now. It's very late, लेकिन कुछ खाएंगे उसके बाद we are gonna go for evening boat ride, which is very famous over here, and of course वो miss नहीं कर सकते थे. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll keep you posted on all the details and all the beauty that we are about to witness. Just came here to update you. अच्छा है तो. I like this.
Yeah, chili parota.
This is Kotu parota. But this is really good. So we had a very satisfying late lunch, I would say. The food here was really good and freshly made. So if you are here and if you're looking for a nice veg place to have your food at, then definitely check this out. Now we are just gonna go for boating, which I'm really excited for. So yeah, I'm gonna put all the details either on the screen or description box, or I'm gonna talk to you depending on the situation. So yeah, let's just go. It's so beautiful. I've never seen something like this before.
Even in Kashmir, but Kashmir is differently beautiful because of course it has got Himalayan
Mountains,
view,
yeah.
but this is something else. I mean,
So we are having chai in the middle of nowhere. Pakoda is on the way and Papa is clearly very excited.
oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Morning guys. So yesterday was beautiful. I mean, we have never witnessed something so beautiful in our entire lives till now. So yeah, it was a must try experience here in Kumarakom. If you are visiting, you should definitely check our operator out because he was really nice and professional services really clean boats, and everything was just on point. I'll be putting all the details on the screen and in the description box, so do check it out. And other than that, we are just checking out from Kumarakom and heading to our next destination. But before that, we are visiting a very special place. I'll keep you posted because I wanna, give you a surprise, I can say. So yeah, let's just go. Good morning, guys. So this was the surprise I was talking about. We are in Malari Ken. This is the, natural water lily bloom that happens 5 months a year. And we were lucky कि हमको ये मिल गया, which was very unexpected, honestly. Last minute plan था. And thanks to people here, locals here, they suggested this place, and I'm so grateful because if you know me, you know that I love lilies, and this is like heaven for me. So beautiful. Like जहाँ तक देखो वहाँ तक से flowers है. And if you're here in month of September, then you should definitely visit here. Too beautiful, too pretty. It's different. Hi guys, welcome to Varkala. So we headed from Kumarakom, we had lunch somewhere in the middle, and then we had a long drive to Varkala, which was a little tiring, but we had fun because we had good views on the way. Now we've checked into our Airbnb over here, which is very quiet, serene sort of a space, and it's somewhere in the interior portion of Varkala, I would say. So it's very quiet and nice over here, like as you can see. Now we are just dressed up, cleaned up and everything, and heading to the beach. I'll keep you posted on which beach we are going to because it's known for its great sunsets, and I'm hoping to catch a good sunset today. So yeah, I'm very excited, and finally I'm in Varkala, so very happy about that too. Hi guys, so we are at the Aliyarakam beach. This is not so popular, but it's beautiful. I mean, it's so gorgeous. I am not a beach person, but I am in awe. I mean, sunset ho raha hai, it's beautiful, very less people, and just clean water with high waves. So gorgeous. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2 in Varkala, and today we have a very chill day out planned because it's very sunny today, and we don't want to be on the beach right now, which makes no sense. So हम लोग सुबह उठे आराम से, like it's a very slow vibe kind of a place. इसलिए हम लोग उठे and ready हुए. फिर we had breakfast at the Airbnb only, and now we are heading out to this 2000-year-old Vishnu temple, which is a very famous spot over here, and mom dad wanted to visit, so हम लोग वहाँ जाने वाले हैं. उसके बाद में I'll keep you posted, and I'm really excited to see the Vishnu temple actually. So yeah, let's go. here at Cafe Sarva. Now this was completely unplanned to be honest, but we had some time to kill and it was very hot, so we thought कि हम लोग coffee के लिए रुकते हैं. But it turned out to be so beautiful, like the most randomest plan. I have this massive ocean in front of me. It's super clean, it's super beautiful, and now we are just walking down to the ocean because the cafe had an opening where you can just climb down to the ocean, and it's just like gorgeous. I don't have words. You have to see it for yourself.
Unbelievable, actually. Unbelievable.
इधर देखो पापा, एक्टिंग, पापा की एक्टिंग देखो. सेलिब्रिटी तो यही हुए हैं बस. नेक्स्ट तो एक मंगा लो. This is your type. Very strong. Hi guys, so we are at this area called Helipad. It's I think the most lively place in Varkala, and one thing that you have to keep in mind while visiting Varkala is that you book everything when you are here. Like, don't book anything online because it can be a little misleading overall. That's the verdict from our driver as well and every local that we met. So basically come here, see the place or the massage place or the spa or anything that you want to do. Come here, see and then book. Other than that, this place is really nice and lively. I'm sure शाम को और ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. But look at the view. It's so beautiful. Everyone's super happy. Like me, Didi, mom, dad, everyone's super happy. And yeah, I mean, loving it so far. So I'll just show you around the streets and everything.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really.
Hi guys, so it's sunset time. We went to the room to just rest for a bit and of course changed into a really nice outfit. Now we've come to the Odem beach, which is surprisingly less crowded, and it's so beautiful. It's like Marine Drive but better, to be honest, because the water is clean. It's sunset ka type and it's mesmerizingly beautiful. You have to add it to your list to be here. I mean, too good. I'll show you.